Right, everybody, here's a really sporty JKU Unlimited. This thing's really decked out here, guys. Black Jeeps matter. I love the setup on it. Really sweet. It's got a ton of LED lights on it. Really cool winch. It's kind of integrated into the front bumper right there. It's pretty sweet. Man, this is really cool. Take a look at this. Flat fenders, Rubicons. Also got a different hood here. And you're talking about, again, LED lights. You got one set here. You get two more there, two more over there, one up top. I mean, that's a ton of LED lights. Suspension's looking good. Different rims, 35 series tires. These are really cool. You got your wild boar. I haven't seen these before, but that's pretty sweet how they're right here for the back. The front, it's got a bar right there on the dash, so you can put your GoPro camera, CB radio, tons of switches. This is really interesting. He's got his jack right up there mounted, a little bit different. And then for his fifth wheel, he's got his third brake light up top, and then more LED lights up there. Wow, this is really sweet. Anyways, guys, let us know what you think about this Jeep Wrangler. ARB, wow, man, he's got some really high-end parts on it, and it's definitely built to go off-road for sure. What a nice setup here. Nitto tires, those are 37 by 37s. Oh, wow, okay, I'm thinking 35s. Those are 37s. Wow, that's really cool. Pretty sweet Jeep here at Rodgers Wranglers today. Smitty built winch, capable probably of doing 10,000 pounds, I'm sure. He's got on here Dickie Bell Trail number 91 badge of honor. So that's somewhere up in North Carolina. And he's got these stickers, 2019 Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam, but right there. Okay. Cool. More forest badges so you can cruise through the forest. Anyways, super sweet Jeep at Rodgers Wranglers. Just another friend of the dealership here. Definitely come by, stop by, take a look at some of the Jeeps, hang out with us. If you're a Jeeper and you live in the Carolinas, or maybe you live nearby in Charleston or Somerville, wherever you're at, stop by Rodgers Wranglers today and just hang out with us, talk with the owners, talk with us Jeep guys out here, bounce ideas off each other. We had a guy out here named Corey yesterday. Corey, if you're watching, we appreciate you stopping by. There's nothing wrong with stopping by and maybe looking at some Jeeps, maybe getting some ideas. I understand that not everybody is looking to buy a Jeep from us, right? Some of y'all already own Jeeps. Maybe you just got a Jeep and you're trying to get some ideas. And I understand, sometimes looking at pictures on Google, going on YouTube, watching videos, that's all great, like you're doing right now. But sometimes it's nice to kind of get out into the actual real world and actually go look at some Jeeps in person and look at and see what the stuff looks like on them already installed. I think that's always a great way to figure out exactly what accessories and modifications and things that you want to do. So Rodgers Wranglers is a great place to do that. Here's another good looking Rubicon that we're actually got up for sale right now. Beautiful Jeep. Most of the pictures and stuff that I've put up on Instagram and on Facebook of this Jeep have been it without the hardtop on it. It had a soft top, and we actually ordered a hardtop for it, and it's on there right now. Looks great. So this one's got a lift on it, 2007, but it's got new gears, all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's definitely done up right, and wow, low miles. Good looking Jeep if you're a Carolina Gamecocks fan. That's the color for you right there. And if you're not a fan of the 4 doors, because I know a lot of Jeepers out there that just want 2 doors, we got tons of 2 doors, I mean, take a look at this one. Here's a TJ02. Rough country lift on it, bead block wheels, 35s. I mean, that one's ready to rock and roll. Got a brand new top on it. Looks great. So anyways, guys, come on down and see us right here in North Charleston on Dorchester Road. There's Cross County Road, and the Charleston Air Force Base is just a little bit farther down. I'm Chad. We'd love to talk with some of our local people here in the Jeep community in Charleston and the surrounding areas. We'll see you soon. Like, comment, subscribe here on the channel. You got it. We'll see you soon.